Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. I totally forgot to take a picture of this, so let me just take a quick picture. Alright, that's better. This is the 2021 Kia Stinger GT1. This is, of course, the all-wheel drive. Almost all of them that we get are all-wheel drive up here, just because, you know, snow. Man, I love these cars so much. 365 horsepower from the twin-turbo V6. Believe it's a 3.3 liter. $49,375. Total price on this one. Snow White Pearl over black. And now we'll take a look under the hood at that 3.3. Dual intakes. And then, of course, the twin turbos. One there, and the other one there. Oh, that has an awesome sound. Oh man, that sounds fantastic. Very, very nice interior, all LED lighting. Backup camera, and your mirrors will also dip down. We are in sport mode. That's the fun mode. You have custom, sport, comfort, eco, and smart. But we'll go into sport mode. Now this, I said in my last video with the GT line that the Stinger is the better Maserati Ghibli. This is what the Maserati Ghibli should have been. Either cheaper or performance-wise, this is just better. The fit and finish is better. The sound is just as good. I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. Oh man, I love this car so much. And it sounds so good. I mean, the sound that it makes is so reminiscent of the Maserati Ghibli. I think it's the same size motor between the two of them. I think they're both 3.3s. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I know you guys will anyway. What's up?
That thing looks ridiculous.
Thanks. I'm filming, so. Nice car, man. That's my buddy. He's one of the sales guys at this dealership right here, VW. We give each other crap all the time, and it's so much fun. You'll get some good burbles from the exhaust too. Actually, I am getting a good amount of burbles here. Why does it sound so good? Why do they have to be so good? These cars are just such fantastic cars. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.